Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your BMW. This is a 2 Series 2025 model. Might be useful if you're having problems connecting your phone via Bluetooth and you want to put it back to factory settings. Remember though, you are resetting it, so any data that you have in the car will be lost. So we're going to go to Home, we're going to go to Car, and we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to General Settings, and now we're going to go all the way down the bottom to Reset Vehicle Data. And it says here, vehicle will be reset to factory settings. Personal data and settings of this vehicle will be deleted. Data in the BMW cloud will remain unchanged. Only possible when the vehicle is in standby. Vehicle will be restarted. So you will see everything will go blank. So I'm going to go reset vehicle data. It's telling us here that it's going to take several seconds. So you can cancel it or do reset vehicle data. So I'm going to press this now. And just be patient. And then what will happen is the screen will go blank after about 30 seconds, and then it's now going to reboot itself and it will be reset when it comes back on. And there you go, you can see now that it has been reset. So hopefully by doing that you will solve whatever problem you're having. And after it's reset itself, be patient, it will take quite a few minutes before your apps and stuff come back on here again. There you go, so that's how to reset your BMW 2 Series. Thanks for watching.